When there was a need of such solution, SAP System Application Product, a leading enterprise resource planning software, came as a savior for the enterprises. It was started then as a company in 1972 by a handful of engineers from IBM who set up a vision to bring out the potential to provide such a centralized solution to this growing problem in the form of a software application. After considerable years, SAP came up with an application software named SAP R/3 software, where R meaning real-time data processing and 3 denotes the three-tier architecture which we normally use, that is presentation, application, and database layers. It grew itself, incorporating different functionalities, naming a few like business intelligence, supply chain management, customer relationship management, payroll, finance, human resources, and a lot more. This is where SAP grew as a prominent player in the software market. Introduction to SAP PP, Production Planning. What is SAP PP? Overview of SAP PP module. Career opportunities in SAP PP. How SAP PP integrates with other SAP modules, QM, SD. 2. SAP PP Basics. Master data in SAP PP, Material Master, BOM, Work Centers. Routing and production versions. Production planning and execution process. Demand management in SAP PP. 3. SAP PP configuration and customization. SAP PP module configuration, step by step. Configuring bill of materials, BOM. Work center and routing configuration. Production order types and number ranges. 4. SAP PP advanced concepts. MRP, material requirements planning in SAP PP. Capacity planning in SAP. Batch management and serial number management. Integration of SAP PP with QM and MM. 5. Hands-on tutorials and live demos. Creating and managing production orders. Running MRP and analyzing results. Goods issue and goods receipt in SAP PP. Backflushing in SAP PP. 6. SAP PP real-time scenarios and interview preparation. Common SAP PP issues and troubleshooting. SAP PP interview questions and answers. Live case studies from manufacturing industry. SAP PP functional consultant role and responsibilities. 7. SAP PP and S/4HANA updates. Difference between SAP ECC PP and S/4HANA PP. New features in SAP S/4HANA PP. Transition from SAP ECC to S/4HANA for production planning. 8. SAP PP career and certification guidance. How to become an SAP PP consultant. SAP PP certification guide. Resume tips for SAP PP jobs. SAP PP freelancing and remote jobs. Additional ideas for growth. White heavy checkmark live Q&A sessions, answer subscriber questions. White heavy checkmark guest speakers, invite SAP experts for discussions. White heavy checkmark SAP PP case studies, real-world problem solving. White heavy checkmark SAP PP mini projects, hands-on projects for learning.